Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making very delicious and simple recipe for children and the whole family. We are making French toast sticks. Yeah, I've just started by slicing up half loaf of bread which I have in my fridge, and I'll go on and also cut them into smaller sizes again. Keep watching. I'm done cutting out the bread slices, and these are the shapes I cut them into. Next, we're going to prepare a mixture where we'll be soaking the bread before toasting them. And here I have added into a mixing bowl 3 eggs. I'm adding 100 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1.5 cup of vanilla essence. I'll mix everything together. When I say 1.5 cup of vanilla essence, I mean the cover, the cap. I mean there is the cover of the vanilla bottle I'm using. I hope you get it. Hey. After whisking everything together, we'll now go to the next step, which is the toasting of the bread. Into my dry pan, add some butter into it, and then we start soaking the breadsticks in the egg mixture, the egg and milk and cinnamon mixture. Don't allow it to soak too much. I shouldn't have added another one before taking it about. Nothing spoiled. After making sure I soak the whole thing into the bread, I'll then add to my frying or toasting pan. And then we'll be toasting the bread on each side for about a minute or two on each side, and then on low heat also. If you check, you find that the bread has 4 corners, is it? Then plus the 2 heads, that's 6. So we try and toast on each side to corner every part of the bread. And I'll repeat the same process until I'm done with all the breadsticks. Add some butter, soak the bread in the mixture and the toast. That's what I'm doing here. And here we have our delicious bread toast sticks. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.